Hi all, SNDT College of Arts and SCP College of Commerce and Science for Women, Mumbai 20 welcomes you all. The specialty of our college is it's located in the heart of city, that is in South Mumbai. And another salient feature of our college is it's well connected to all three major lines of Mumbai local trains, that is Harbour Line, Central Line and Western Line. So students from various parts of Mumbai can take admission in our college. Our college especially offers two streams, one is arts and another is commerce. And in arts we have four divisions, two are of English medium and two are of Marathi medium. Let's talk about their subjects now. First we will talk about English medium divisions. E1. In E1, the compulsory subjects are English, History, Geography, Physical Education and EVS. And the optional subjects, the first option that we have is Marathi or Hindi or Sanskrit or Gujarati. Choose any one language. In second option, we have Sociology or Drawing Theory plus Drawing Practical or Music Theory plus Music Practical. In that, we have got vocal or instrumental. Choose any one. Third option is of economics or drawing or music. Choose any one for arts division E1, which is English medium division. The second English medium division is E2 of arts, and the compulsory subjects are English, economics, psychology, physical education and EVS. And optional subjects are, the first option is Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit or Gujarati. Choose any one. The second option is of Sociology, Drawing Theory plus Drawing Practical or Music Theory plus Music Practical. Choose any one. And third option is of Political Science or Drawing or Music. Choose any one. Now let's talk about Marathi medium divisions of arts. The first division is M1. M stands for Marathi, and the compulsory subjects are English, Marathi, economics, history, physical education and EVS. And optional subjects are, the first option is Sanskrit or Hindi or drawing theory plus drawing practical or music theory plus music practical. Choose any one. Another option that we have got is geography or drawing or music. Choose any one. These are the subjects of M1 division. Now M2, which is again Marathi medium division, and the compulsory subjects are English, Marathi, Sociology, Political Science, Physical Education, EVS. And optional subjects are Sanskrit, Hindi, Drawing Theory plus Drawing Practical or Music Theory plus Music Practical. Choose any one. And another option is Psychology, Music or Drawing. Choose any one. Now let's move towards another stream which our college offers, commerce. In commerce, we have got three divisions, A, B and C, and the compulsory subjects are English language, economics, bookkeeping and accountancy, organization of commerce, EVS, secretarial practice or mathematics. If you take secretarial practice with Marathi, then you will get A division or B division. If you take mathematics, then you will get A division. And another optional languages are Marathi, Gujarati, Hindi, and recently we have introduced French also. If you take French, then again you will get A division, and if you take Hindi, then you will get C division. Hope all of you have liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get more updates from our college, and press the bell icon in order to see more videos which our college regularly uploads. Thank you all of you.